कपड़े अलमारी में रख दो. Put the clothes in the cupboard. Put the clothes in the cupboard. बटन टाक दो. Stitch the button. Stitch the button. सुई धागा ले आओ. Bring the needle and thread. Bring the needle and thread. कुकर का ढक्कन ठीक से लगाओ. Fix the cooker lid properly. Fix the cooker lid properly. बेलन गायब है. The rolling pin is missing. The rolling pin is missing. डिब्बा खाली है. The container is empty. The container is empty. चावल ज़्यादा गल गए. The rice is overcooked. The rice is overcooked. दूध उफन गया. The milk has boiled over. The milk has boiled over. थाली गिर गई. The plate fell down. The plate fell down. झाड़ू टूट गई है. The broom is broken. The broom is broken. कोने में झाड़ू लगाओ. Sweep the corners. Sweep the corners. कूड़ा बाहर फेंकाओ. Throw the garbage outside. Throw the garbage outside. नहाने का पानी गर्म है. The bath water is hot. The bath water is hot. बर्तन टपक रहे हैं. The utensils are dripping. The utensils are dripping. कपड़े सूख गए हैं. The clothes have dried. The clothes have dried. तकिया सीधा कर दो. Adjust the pillow. Adjust the pillow. चादर बदल दो. Change the bedsheet. Change the bedsheet. टीवी बंद कर दो. Switch off the TV. Switch off the TV. बहुत हो गया टीवी. That's enough TV. That's enough TV. जाओ थोड़ा पढ़ लो. Go and study for a while. Go and study for a while. बाथरूम का दरवाज़ा बंद रखो. Keep the bathroom door closed. Keep the bathroom door closed. जूते पहन लो. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. चप्पल सीधी रखो. Keep the slippers straight. Keep the slippers straight. बाहर मत भागो. Don't run outside. Don't run outside. पानी धीरे पियो. Drink water slowly. Drink water slowly. घूट घूट करके पियो. Sip it slowly. Sip it slowly. जमीन गीली हो गई है. The floor is wet. The floor is wet. बर्तन रखने की आवाज़ मत करो. Don't bang the utensils. Don't bang the utensils. मोबाइल नीचे मत रखो. Don't keep the phone on the floor. Don't keep the phone on the floor. टेबल हिलाओ मत. Don't shake the table. Don't shake the table. पानी उलट गया. The water spilled. The water spilled. शीशा गंदा है. The mirror is dirty. The mirror is dirty. शीशा साफ कर दो. Clean the mirror. Clean the mirror. रजाई तह कर दो. Fold the quilt. Fold the quilt. खाना ढक दो. Cover the food. Cover the food. पराठा सेक दो. Bake the paratha. Bake the paratha. सब्जी में हल्दी डाल दो. Add turmeric to the curry. Add turmeric to the curry. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. कटोरी में दही रख दो. Put curd in the bowl. Put curd in the bowl. छुरी साफ कर दो. Clean the knife. Clean the knife. चम्मच निकाल लो. Take out a spoon. Take out a spoon. दोना दे दो. Give me a disposable plate. Give me a disposable plate. गिलास धो दो. Wash the glass. Wash the glass. दूध छान लो. Strain the milk. Strain the milk. गैस तेज करो. Increase the flame. Increase the flame. सिलबट्टा साफ करो. Clean the grinding stone. Clean the grinding stone. पीसने के लिए मिर्ची दो. Give chilies for grinding. Give chilies for grinding. मसाले भून दो. Roast the spices. Roast the spices. दाल उबाल दो. Boil the lentils. Boil the lentils. किचन में बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot in the kitchen. It's very hot in the kitchen. खिड़की से हवा आ रही है. Air is coming through the window. Air is coming through the window. पर्दा खींच दो. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. पर्दा हटाओ. Pull the curtain aside. Pull the curtain aside. अलमारी से निकाल लो. Take it out from the cupboard. Take it out from the cupboard. गीले कपड़े बेड पर मत रखो. Don't keep wet clothes on the bed. Don't keep wet clothes on the bed. फ्रिज की सफाई करनी है. The fridge needs cleaning. The fridge needs cleaning. सब्जी लाकर फ्रिज में रख दो. Put the vegetables in the fridge. Put the vegetables in the fridge. कुछ खाने को है. Is there anything to eat? Is there anything to eat? मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. खाना बहुत गर्म है. The food is too hot. The food is too hot. थोड़ा ठंडा होने दो. Let it cool down a bit. Let it cool down a bit. जरा गर्म कर दो. Warm it up a little. Warm it up a little. गैस जल नहीं रही. The stove isn't lighting up. The stove isn't lighting up. माचिस भीग गई है. The matchbox got wet. The matchbox got wet. माचिस खत्म हो गई. The matchsticks are finished. The matchsticks are finished. Stool लाओ. Bring the stool. Bring the stool. सीढ़ी पकड़ो. Hold the ladder. Hold the ladder. छत पर मत जाओ. Don't go to the terrace. Don't go to the terrace. बारिश होने वाली है. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. कपड़े उतार लो. Take the clothes off the line. Take the clothes off the line. बाल्टी बाहर रख दी है. The bucket is kept outside. The bucket is kept outside. टंकी से पानी नहीं आ रहा. Water isn't coming from the tank. Water isn't coming from the tank. पाइप बंद कर दो. Turn off the pipe. Turn off the pipe. पानी तेज मत चलाओ. Don't run the tap too hard. Don't run the tap too hard. जार भर गया है. The water jar is full. The water jar is full. बोतल में पानी भर दो. Fill the bottle with water. Fill the bottle with water. स्टूल से उतर जाओ. Get down from the stool. Get down from the stool. बाल झड़ रहे हैं बहुत. Hair fall is too much. Hair fall is too much. तेल लगा लो. Apply oil. Apply oil. नाखून काट लो. Trim your nails. Trim your nails. नाक साफ कर लो. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. कान साफ करने की चीज कहाँ है? Where is the ear cleaner? Where is the ear cleaner? कंघी कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep the comb? Where did you keep the comb? आईना देख लो. Take a look in the mirror. Take a look in the mirror. स्नान कर लिया. Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? साबुन कहाँ है? Where is the soap? Where is the soap? नया टूथब्रश ले आना. Get a new toothbrush. Get a new toothbrush. वॉश बेसिन साफ नहीं है. The wash basin is not clean. The wash basin is not clean. नहाने की बाल्टी लो. Take the bathing bucket. Take the bathing bucket. मच्छरदानी लगाओ. Put up the mosquito net. Put up the mosquito net. रूम फ्रेशनर छिड़को. Spray the room freshener. Spray the room freshener. कपड़े डिटर्जेंट से धोना. Wash the clothes with detergent. Wash the clothes with detergent. बाल्टी में साबुन डाल दो. Add soap to the bucket. Add soap to the bucket. ब्रश सही से करो. Brush properly. Brush properly. मुंह धोकर आओ. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. पैर साफ करो. Clean your feet. Clean your feet. गीले पैरों से मत चलो. Don't walk with wet feet. Don't walk with wet feet. फर्श पर पाँव के निशान हैं. There are footprints on the floor. There are footprints on the floor. डस्टर से पोंछ दो. Wipe it with a duster. Wipe it with a duster. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.